Welcome back, where we are building a full stack gas-free dApp using EIP-2771. We are on the dashboard step. We have just finished upgrading our smart contract to be EIP-2771 compliant. We are now going to register our smart contract in the Biconomy dashboard. After having your dApp registered, okay, let's register our dApp. Let's just log into Biconomy, I guess. How easy is it to just log into Biconomy? There's a question. Let's go to dashboard. I'm going to make an account, Patrick admin. We'll use Sweetmintech. Let's go ahead and create a password. Let's add a login. Username. I'll update these credentials in a bit. User already exists. What? Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's register a new dApp. Oh, and I guess we need to verify my email. Let's verify my email real quick. Setting up a new account on Biconomy. Biconomy. One-time password. Biconomy dashboard. One-time password. Verify. Looks like my email was just verified. Awesome. Let's register dApp. This is going to be Udemy. Network is, this is Matic testnet. Where's mainnet though? Interesting that I don't see. Okay, we registered our dApp. That's great. There's our dApp. Alright, what's the next step? After you register the dApp, on the Add Smart Contract page, View dApp, add a contract. Okay. This is going to be gas-free dApp contract. Address of our contract, again, is right here. Paste that. They also need the ABI, which we can get from artifacts, contract, box v2. And now I'm going to collapse this ABI and copy everything inside of it. Meta transaction type is, I believe, trusted forwarder. Let's add it. Added successfully. Okay, it looks like we have added our smart contract. After this step, you need to add your APIs as mentioned in the steps in the Biconomy dashboard. Inherit a simple and set the trusted forwarder address. Use message sender. Add the method to change trusted forwarder in the future. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the SDK. I guess it was that easy. This might be the end of this lesson. It looks like I need to connect my wallet to deposit, so let's try connecting the wallet, and let's try funding the wallet a little bit. Let's deposit. How much Matic do I have? Minimum is 1 Matic that I can do, so let's go over to the faucet and get more Matic. Faucet. We're going to need to do the faucet twice, because I believe it's half of a test Matic each time. Submit. Got it. Can I do it again? I gotta wait a minute. You can only do it once a minute. a little bit poopy, but any other wallet that I could connect that's got more? What about my main? 0.9, 0.9. Does anybody have more than one? Nobody's got more than one out of all these accounts. NFT wallet does. Funding the wallet. Transaction was confirmed. We can confirm it's been included in that block. Final balance. Okay, looks like we should be good now. Can I just disconnect my wallet? I want to see what we look like without me being connected. Okay, so it looks like we do still have a current balance of 4. I don't know how it got 4 Matic in there, but it looks like we do have 4 Matic in there. So with that, we should be fine and dandy. Let's go ahead and start working on the front end. Next lesson, we're going to be jumping back to the front end. Our back end smart contract should be all updated. So now we're going to try working with the front end. If you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you in a couple minutes in the next lesson. Thanks, everyone.